Feeling tired all the time, low libido, acne, irregular period. It might be not just stress, it can be hormone. At Health Deliver, we also offer blood hormone tests for men and women. We offer some important hormone level like testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, thyroid hormone, even cortisol to let you know what is important to your body. You can choose what more convenient for you. Our home service nurse will help assist you at your home, or you choose to walk in our clinic at Asok, Pom or Sathorn. When your result is ready, our team will review that and help recommending something that's important for you. It can be medical cream, it can be supplement, medication, or even injection for what you actually need. If you're feeling off, want some real answer, book hormone test with Health Deliver today.